know it's been a while since I've done a video. I want to thank all the new subscribers, and if you are just stumbling upon this, if you would just go back and check out some of the older videos. I have gone through all of the models that my stepdad had collected. There's two of them I'm going to put together, but I wanted to share today sort of an unboxing. I got this at a car show recently in October. $15 for this box here. So, and it was at a Corvair show in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. So this is all Corvair related. So I had a chance to kind of go through this a little bit, but I didn't do a deep dive. So I'll save this for a video here. So I'm gonna go through this one at a time. Should be, I think there's 3 or 4 kits in here. So the first one we got, it is, okay, so the AMT Myers Toad and Toadster. So let's get to the end here since I don't have a box. So there's the Toad, what it's supposed to look like. So it's a buggy. So the instructions look pretty decent condition there. And let's see. Ooh, a lot of parts and pieces. Okay, that went with it, and somebody painted it light blue. Got some missing here. Don't know if doesn't look like it's the wheels. I'm not sure what parts are missing with that one. This has got some fine little things here taped together. Some other parts T. Let's just dump this out and see what's here. All right, decal sheet. Looks fairly well. Looks like something sat on it right here. I don't know if you can see it there. More body panels. Oh, that looks the same as that. Maybe it's just for the 2 different versions of the kit you could do. There's your body pan. Let's back up, I guess. Okay, so yeah, it looks like a lot of the engine is missing. That's the missing part on this. It's the engine. So let me put this back together here. Excuse me. Dusty up here. There's not sure what that is. It's yellow. Wait a minute. Yellow, it goes to something else. There's another kit in there that's yellow. So, whoa, this is a lot of pieces. But $15 for 4 different kits, I think it was a pretty good buy. Stuff this in here, and then Corvair engines. You know, there's they make that kit that has a Chrysler engine and a Corvair engine all together. So finding a Corvair engine is not a difficult thing to do. Okay, that's one kit. All right, here's parts and pieces of a second one. I don't know what this is. Okay, Chevy pickup with Sandman. All right, so it doesn't appear I have the pickup truck, but it's got a real small. All right, so this one shows a VW engine on it, but it looks like somebody's grafted on Corvair engine to where there's supposed to be a VW engine. Not that unheard of, you know. So, oh, and the wire, oh, the wheels are plastic on this one, so no rubber wheels. But looks like a neat little kit that you can throw on a trailer. There's not much to it. There's a few pieces and parts. So That's interesting. All right, what's this here? There's a couple buggy bodies here. You got two different ones. One's a little bit longer than the other, and you got one of them's yellow. Okay, what is this? Oh, this one's almost put together. This has a note on it. Oh no, various dune buggies, $10. And I paid 15. Oh well. So, alright. This one looks like a good candidate to get restoration work done. Just gotta put the axle back in. It's got something broke on there. Yeah, something's missing. For that, I'll need to make a part. And this will glue on. Yeah, it goes right there. So I'll set this one aside. This one can clean this one up and get it going there. One of the mini kit cars from the 60s that were Corvair based. I don't see any markings on it. There's part of a tape measure there. Okay. Maybe I'll find the other part that goes to that in there somewhere in the box somewhere. Oh gosh, what is this here? We got another bag of pieces and parts. Got wheels. Oh, there's a chassis for something there. You got an engine. And then engine, your axles, a couple other things. There's rubber wheels. Possibly, so pieces and parts. And I'm still digging. Another collection of oddball parts. That's okay. Thought it was sealed in the bag, but not quite. Oh, here's some plastic wheels. Yeah. These are gnarly. Let's see, what else is here? Oh, here's the roof to something. A couple other, these are rubber wheels. Haven't been cut open yet. Whoa, there's some nice mags here. Looks very similar, yeah, very similar to those. A little different. This one's popped out. Throw it in a freezer. Let's see if I can get it undone. Here's the other part of the yellow kit. Long antenna. Could have used that when I was doing my other buggy last year, a couple years ago. Alright, this is a mystery here. What is in this wrapped up in here? Oh, got some glass. So they were thoughtful enough to wrap it up. So, alright. Not too bad. A good little parts haul if you're interested in Corvair powered buggies and cars. So, alright, but like I said, thanks again for watching. Gonna get back to this while cleaning up the work area here and putting some new mini blinds up. I did come up with another idea for another video. It's not model car related, but it is model related and connected to my stepdad of the two old train kits, model trains. One of them's not working, so maybe I'll do an episode of just taking it down and trying to get the engine on it working, get it ready, prepped for sale, because it's not a Lionel train, so it's not worth a whole lot of money, but it'll be worth more if it's working than it is not working. So I'll do that. And I did one of cleaning up the Lionel train. So this one's a different one, it's different brand. Some kind of, I'm not big into model trains, so I don't know what brand it is. But I'll do that one coming up soon here as it gets closer to Christmas. But like I said, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the page if you hadn't already, and I'll post some of these pictures, close-up pictures of this stuff on Instagram. So Model Car Memories on Instagram. And thanks again.